Welcome everyone. Today I found two fantastic Mediterranean Branzinos at the market. So we're going to make Branzino in crosta di sale, which is salt-crusted Branzino. This is a delicious and easy recipe, but there are a few specific steps to follow to get the expected results. So stay tuned to learn more. Let's see what we need for this recipe. We need about 2 pounds of coarse salt, some thyme and rosemary, a few pieces of lemon peel. Mediterranean Branzinos, they are small, so we will cook 2 for 2 people. Make sure to have them gutted and clean. No need to remove the scales. The egg white from 2 eggs, a spoon of white vinegar, and a bunch of parsley. Let's start cooking. First thing we want to do is to prepare our salt mix. We need to mix coarse salt, egg white, and vinegar to make some sort of paste which we will use to cover our fish. Place the salt in a bowl and add the egg whites and the spoon of vinegar. Blend these 3 ingredients until you get a paste. If the mix is too dry, add a little water. Now we put the salt mix on the side and we start preparing our fish. Place the herbs inside the fish, add the lemon peel, and make sure not to use the white part of the lemon as that will give a bitter taste to the fish. Complete your seasoning by stuffing the fish with some parsley. Parsley has a double purpose. The first one is to provide some flavor, obviously, and the second one is to help seal your fish, as you don't want any of the salt mix to get inside the fish belly. This is very important as you definitely don't want to eat the salt you'll be using for cooking. Let's dry our fish a little and we are ready to finish our preparation. Preheat your oven at 428 Fahrenheit and let's prepare our crust. Place a sheet of parchment paper on a tray and create a salt mix bed on it. Place the fish on the salt bed and carefully cover the fish with the salt mix. We want to make sure our salt mix covers and sort of seals the fish so that it gets to cook in its own juices. When our fish is fully covered and our oven is ready, it is time to start cooking. We want to cook our fish in 2 sessions. The first session is at 428 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. This temperature is quite high and will allow for an initial heat shock. The second session is at 352 degrees and it depends on the fish weight. In general, fish must cook for about 12-13 minutes per pound, so calculate your cooking time accordingly. When we're done cooking our fish, we can take it out of the oven and start cracking the crust. Use 2 spoons for this operation and you may also want to use a little brush. It is important to remove all the salt away from your fish, as eating this salt can cause sickness. Proceed to peeling the fish. Using 2 spoons, separate the meat from the bones and serve. I recommend sprinkling your fish with some extra virgin olive oil and serving with some salad. Absolutely delicious. You must try this one. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you need other main courses ideas, watch the next video and subscribe for more. See you next time.